Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the Ender Dragon from Minecraft. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with here, we're going to start right about here on our paper, and we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start by making a small rectangle shape right here on my paper. So I'm going to make a line down, 2 lines across, and 1 line that goes up. Next, I'm going to draw 3 little lines that come back like this. Then I'm going to connect these, and I'm going to connect these. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, it's going to go over, and then it's going to go up at an angle like that. Next, you want to draw a line that goes down here, and then one that goes down here. And then I'm going to connect them. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, it's going to come up, it's going to go over, and then down here for the face. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines that go up at a diagonal like this. And then just connect them. Right here, we want to draw 2 small rectangle shapes right above the head. We're going to make 2 little lines on each one, and then you just connect them. Next, you draw a line that goes over and down for the horns of the Ender Dragon. Then I want to draw a line that goes down here, and then a line that goes across. For the next step, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that curves, and we'll make another one that curves here. Then just draw a line straight across. Next, make a line that goes down, and curve this right to about the horn for the neck. Now over here, we want to draw a line that goes up, it's going to come over, it's going to go down, and then it's going to come right over to here. Over here, we're going to draw a long diagonal line, and then a long one right here. Next, you just want to connect them. Now, I'm going to start with a wing over here. So what I want to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a wing. I'm going to draw a line that goes out, one that goes a little bit farther, and then one right here. So you can see these 2, the bottom and top one are a little bit shorter than the middle one, and then I just connect each one. So it looks a little bit three-dimensional. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down and right back here. And then we'll draw a little line that goes over and back down here. So it looks a little bit more 3D. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come back real skinny. We'll do another one here, goes out and comes back. And one right here, it's at a little bit more of an angle. Then we'll just connect these with just a little bit of a curved line. It's going to be kind of straight, but you can see it has a little curve to it. And this one's going to have a much bigger curve as it comes back to the body. Now right here, I'm going to pretty much do the same thing. I'll make a long line that comes out here, one that is underneath it, and one more right here. Next, you just connect these lines, and we'll draw another one out here. So I'll draw a long line out here, one more here, and connect them. a little angled line, and then one that comes back here. I will make a long skinny line that goes out and comes back. Make one more that goes up and down, and one more that goes out and curves back. And just like we did on the other one, I'm just going to connect these with just a slight curved line. And the one right here is going to be a little bit more curved. Now, starting under here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down, over, and up. And a small little line that curves back, or goes straight back, I should say. Next, we'll make a line that goes down, over, and up like a rectangle, and one that goes over and up. And that'll be the foot. Next, just add two little lines on there for the foot. And a little diagonal line that goes back here. Over here, I'm going to draw a little square shape. I'm going to make a line that goes down. Then I'm going to make one that goes up, over, and down. And another one that's going to go down and over. This one is then going to have a line that goes down, it's going to go down farther, and then over, and a little line that goes across and up for that back foot. Then we're just going to make a nice little line that goes down. Now for the tail, you just want to draw a long line that's going to have a slight curve to it. I'll draw a little line down, and then a line that's going to curve back here. One more that goes over, and then it's going to curve back here. So we have our basic Ender Dragon. We just want to add some of the details onto here. So let's start on the face. I'm going to make two little rectangles here. And we want these to be 3D, so just draw a little line that goes over, down, and comes back, and then we'll just kind of finish off the top, do the same thing on the other one. All you do is go over, down, and then you come back. I know it's a little bit hard to see. For the eyes, I'm just going to make a line that goes at an angle and then down. Same thing here, it goes up at an angle, then it comes down. We'll add a small little curved line inside there for the pupils. Now, the Ender Dragon is going to have spikes across the back. These are going to be a little bit tricky. So the best thing I can tell you is to draw some small little rectangle shapes like this. Then just draw 3 little lines that go down on each one and then connect them. This way it looks more three-dimensional. We'll do the same thing here. So I'm going to draw 3 rectangle shapes along the back of the dragon. Then I just want to put a little line going down on each one of these corners. So a little line going down. Then I just connect them. There's going to be some on the tail too. I'm going to keep these a little bit closer to the top of the tail, and I'm not going to put as many on here that are on the real Ender Dragon. And then I'll just do the same thing. You're just adding your 3 little lines on here. On each one, kind of looks like a little table. And then just connect them. And that turns them into a 3-dimensional shape, so they don't look like just a little table. And last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down and over for the other leg. And right here we'll draw a little line that goes up and over for that back leg. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Ender Dragon from Minecraft. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.